Well, here's a Malibu I'm going to do. Been sitting in here for a while, and I'm going to do something different about some storage here, but she's been sitting for a while. I think might be 3 years since I had it running, which is embarrassing because I should have had it running more often than that. You can see it's covered in dirt, lots of dirt. The door's locked. I'm gonna have to go get the keys. I'll be back. Alright, got the keys. Open the door up here. You can see what all is buried in here. See, there's a mud dauber's nest there. Should have some extra parts in here. Pretty dark in here, you can't see a lot. Good. Got some extra trunk mat. This is in real nice shape. Got over there. Bunch of crap growing up there. Look under the hood. Put those in my pocket. Weeds growing. Been a while since I looked under the hood. Might be a dead animal in here. Hopefully there's not a snake. There's some weeds growing. I see it looks alright. I don't see nothing dead under here. I don't know where that went. There should be a cap on there. Maybe some animal thought that was tasty and ran off with it. You go get a battery, get a little gas, prime the carb, see if it'll run. Alright, got the battery in. Has antifreeze in it. Check that. The oil is still full. I'll take the air cleaner off. Prime the carb with a little bit of gasoline. Some good quality gasoline. Got some race gas. And there's my nitrous plate. I was wondering where that went. This has been the last thing I was using nitrous on. Anyways, we'll got a little race gas in this bottle. Squirt a little down in her carb. Give her a drink. See if the accelerator pump works. Did this on my Dakota and it took a while for the accelerator pump to start working, so pretty dark in here. Doesn't appear to be doing anything. Probably a little dry. Put a little more gas down the bowls. And in the motor. Give it a little drink. Here, let it sit a little while, see if the accelerator pump does start working. Well, I'll see if she runs. I'll see if she tries the fire. Well, it's running anyways. Guessing that was the carburetor full. How long it ran on the carburetor full of gas. I'm pretty sure I ran all the gas out of it when I parked it. So I wouldn't have to deal with rotten gas. Nothing's leaking there. It should be good to go. Dump a little good gas in the tank and it should stay running. Find me a funnel. Had to use my handy dandy camera stand, which is a couple garbage bags full of beer cans. Worked pretty good. Yeah, I put some gas in it. A little bit of cheap gas and some race gas mixed together. See if she starts again. Should have run before, but it should stay running. Yeah, maybe not. I'll tighten the battery cable down. Alright, now it should start. My tack mount broke. Cheap plastic garbage. Pretty good oil pressure. Gas gauge went up a little bit. Sounds better with some fresh gas in it. Sounds good for sitting for 3 years, ain't been running. Although it's buried in the dirt. Especially on the other side. See, the front wheels are sunk. Side of here really sunk. I kind of dug it out the other day because I thought the tire was flat, but it's not. It's just sunk in the dirt that far. I need to find some different storage, or better storage. Leave some concrete on the ground instead of dirt. Dirt's alright if it stays dry, but it tries getting wet in here. You can see the Firebird is even sinking in the ground there. It's running. So is this. Now I need to see if it'll try and move, which it should, as long as the tranny fluid didn't leak out. I'd like to try and move. See, it's got a stall in it. Spinning. I have to dig the dirt out from underneath it. It's pretty close to the wall over there. You don't want it to slide over and hit it. I have to do some digging on the other side. Maybe on this side too. Or you might have to take a tractor and pull it out. Whatever works, pretty close to the side over here. See, she's digging a hole. I need to weed eat here too. This is going to be pretty close to this tire. I put my building on wheels so I can move it. I got 2 more cars to move, actually 3 more cars to move. I'll do a little video on each one of them. If you find these interesting, you subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Need more subscribers. That's to look at 59. I know I've lost a few, but whatever. Get on board and join. Be the best thing you ever did.